In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Substack publication for beginners. Let's jump right in and get your new publication ready from start to finish. Start by opening Substack in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the bottom left sidebar and click More. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you to the Account Settings page. Scroll down and locate the Publications section, which is where you'll begin creating your new publication. Inside the Publications section, click Create Another Publication. Substack will now walk you through the setup. When the URL field appears, click into the publication URL or subdomain field. Type a short URL slug for your sample publication, something easy to remember and clearly tied to your topic. Once you've entered the slug, click Continue. If Substack tells you that the URL is unavailable, click back into the slug field. Add 2 extra digits at the end of the slug to make it unique, and click Continue once more. Substack will then take you through a few onboarding prompts. The first one is the mailing list import screen. Since we're setting up a fresh publication, click Skip for now. Next, you'll see the Add Subscriber screen. Again, click Skip for now to move past it. Wait a few moments for Substack to finish loading your new publication dashboard. Once the dashboard appears, confirm that the dashboard or the publication switcher at the top shows the new publication you just created. Now it's time to fill in the publication basics. In the left sidebar of the publication dashboard, click Settings. Inside the Settings navigation, click Basics if it isn't already selected. The Basics page is where you set the identity of your publication. Click the Publication Name field. Clear out the current text and replace it with a clear publication name that reflects your brand or theme. Next, click the Short Description field. In this box, type a one-line reader promise that explains, in simple terms, what readers can expect from your publication. Keep it concise and direct. After that, click the Primary Category drop-down. From the list of available categories, select Culture. If a secondary category drop-down appears below the primary one, click it as well. From that list, select Home and Garden. Once both categories are chosen and your name and description are filled in, click Save to lock in your changes. With the basics saved, let's check the public-facing setup pages. In the Settings navigation on the left, click Website. This section controls how your publication appears to readers on the open web. Find the About page row in the list of options. Click Edit next to About page. This will open the About page editor where you can introduce yourself and your publication to new readers. Click into the About page editor so your cursor is active in the text area. Now type a short starter paragraph that gives visitors a quick overview of who you are, what the publication covers, and why someone should subscribe. Keep it short and welcoming for now, since you can always expand it later. When you're happy with the paragraph, click Save to store your About page content. Now move over to the left dashboard sidebar and click Website Editor. Wait a moment for the website editor to load. Confirm that the website editor opens correctly and that it displays the homepage preview of your publication. This preview shows you exactly how your homepage will look to visitors. And with that, your Substack publication is fully set up. It now has its own URL, a working dashboard, a publication name, a short description, primary and secondary categories, and a starter About page. The website editor preview confirms that everything is in place and that you're ready to either customize the public homepage further or jump straight into writing your very first post. That completes the full setup walkthrough for your new Substack publication from beginning to end.